In manufacturing, when a non-conformance gets flagged, corrective training is assigned, and then nothing closes the loop. The supervisor follows up verbally. The operator reviews a binder full of content that's unclear, too technical, or hard to understand. Completion goes on a sign-off sheet that no one can find 2 weeks later. When the same issue comes back, there's no record of what happened, who was trained, or whether it stuck. Ease on-the-job training was built to close that loop, from finding to training to confirmed resolution. Unlike an LMS, it's built for the plant floor, no corporate email required. When a finding is identified, targeted corrective training gets assigned directly from it. Operators review SOPs, work instructions, and even videos. Then confirm comprehension with traceable evidence. The finding gets closed with an audit-ready record, proving the issue was resolved. Training assigned, training verified, issue closed. For good. Catch, correct, prevent. That's ease. Get a demo at ease.io.